Hur mår du?
Yeah.
Alright, so yes, guys, it's your boy Roman here again with
Mamadou.
Mamadou. Wicked. Mamadou, where are you from?
I'm from Sweden, but I'm from Senegal.
Okay, good.
At the beginning.
Yes, at the beginning
Yeah,
Senegal,
yeah.
but he's in Sweden.
I
And,
live in Sweden.
Clearly, he speaks Swedish, you know,
yeah.
and I have no idea what Swedish sounds like. I know it exists. Maybe I've heard it before, but I don't know anything about it. But before we get into it, what's it like living in Sweden?
In Sweden, it's like cold as hell, but
Colder than
but
France?
you can maintain. Yeah, much colder because it's up north. So it's like raining all the time. Sometimes it's sunny, but you have to go out with another tea because you never know when it's raining or when it's like bad weather.
So what's the food like?
Food is good. It's great. We have like mashed potatoes, like meat pie, meatballs, and stuff like that.
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat.
So let's get into it. He's going to be teaching me some Swedish words. So what's your first word?
Stool.
Stool.
Yeah.
Something you sit on, stool. Like you sit on stool.
Yeah, stool,
Yeah,
huh?
that's too easy.
Like a chair.
That's too easy. That's too easy. That's too easy. Make it a bit harder.
Okay. I can give you vatten.
Vatten, go away.
No.
Van,
No.
vatten. Give me a context.
Something you have to use all the time.
Your mouth,
No.
your hands,
Not your human body, but it contains in your human body.
a car,
No.
vatten, a
You
house,
have it. You have it in your body. You have it in your body, not in your house.
water,
Yeah.
vatten.
Vatten.
Like Wasser, Wasser, German, like Wasser. Oh.
Yeah, like water.
Oh.
Vatten.
Vatten.
With a V-A-T-T-A-N.
I think Vater in German means father. I think
Yeah,
something like that.
yeah. Father or like.
Right.
Yeah.
Right? Word number 3.
Okay. Vig.
Vig, fig,
Vig.
veg, veg. Give me veg. Wait. Car. Veg.
I can give you a like example. Du kan inte gå genom väggen.
Again.
Du kan inte gå genom väggen.
Du kan inte gå na vegan.
Genom väggen.
Genom vegan. Vegan.
No. Not even close.
We are going to go.
You have like resemblance, but I say you cannot go through the wall. So vig is wall. So the wall, vegan.
Are good. So let us change things a little bit. So how do you say hello? How are you?
Hej, hur mår du? Hej, hur mår du?
Hey, hur mår du?
Exactly.
Like who bites you?
Hur is like
Hur.
how.
Hur.
More
Mår.
doing.
Hur mår.
Do you. How you doing like.
Hur mår du?
Yeah. Exactly.
Hur mår du? Okay, it's not so bad. If I say I'm good chilling, I'm chilling.
Det är bra tack. Det är bra. I'm good. Det är bra. Tack. Thank you.
Det är bra tack. Oh, that's nice.
Du da. And you. Du da.
Duda. Duda.
Det är bra tack. Du da.
Debrota Duda. Okay, nice. Okay. Well, just like to know. So, alright, so if I'm going to Sweden, I would need to know some essential words like where do I find where do I find the store? I think that's something I'd want to know.
Okay, store is affär.
Affär.
Affär. Like, vart hittar jag affären? Vart, where?
Vart.
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 Hittar,
Hittar.
find.
Fine.
Something
Vart
you find.
hittar.
Jag, it's
Jag.
me. Jag. Like I.
Vart.
Vart hittar jag affären?
Wait, so what you start with the where?
Yeah.
Itar, find, where find, and then the I, then the subject.
Yeah,
What
yeah,
itar,
yeah.
jag. Yes?
Affären.
Affär.
The store.
What itar, jag.
So like in Swedish, the verb comes before the sentence. You understand? So like, if I say jag ska gå,
Jag ska gå.
I am going.
Jag ska
But
gå.
if you're asking somebody a question, the verb have to come before
Okay.
the word I or you or he or she. come
Yeah.
in.
All right, so if you're going to Sweden, what are 2 essential things you must know if you're going to as a tourist, maybe?
Okay, you have to know about Globen.
Globen.
Is a globe, a big globe. Like you can go inside and you can take an elevator outside the globe, so you can see the whole view of the city. It's like very nice.
Okay.
And one more place I would probably tell you to go to is like the center of Sweden, the Stockholm. It's called T-centralen. It's like where the trains and stuff meet each other. So it's like how the big La Panam, exactly like that. So you have like people from different places coming. You can take the train station. You can go through town. They have Gamla Stan, the old town. It's like near and it's historic. So it's
All right.
very nice.
Let me see something. So, Watt means what?
Yeah.
Okay, oh, that's not German. So, Watt, Mitgessen.
No, that's German. What do you want to know?
Like, what do you eat? But I wanted to ask, what's the main dish or some main meal to eat?
Okay, in Sweden we have like different cultures. We have many people from different countries, from different cultures and stuff like that. Because Sweden used to be an open town, an open country, to a country that takes people from war places and stuff like that and give them immunity and
interesting.
paper and stuff like that.
Hopefully I
So
can go.
they have they have different cultures. So
Schengen area, yes.
yeah, it's a Schengen area, and if you want to eat, if you want like Arabic food, they have it. If you want like Kenyan food, they have it. If you want like Swedish food, they have it as well, and the pizza, of course, and like different. So when normally I used to eat like something with rice, something with kebab maybe, or like that, and it's good.
And is it expensive to live in Sweden? I think that's our last question.
It is expensive, but we can manage. We can manage, and they tax you 30% of your salary.
But you get it back.
You get it back once a year, like
tax return.
tax return.
Oh,
once a year.
that's nice, that's
So maybe I just had like 1,400 euro. So it
Per
was-
month to live?
No, in tax return.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's
But
nice.
but you still lose money because
well.
they take 30% off your salary before you even see
Wait.
it.
So what's the minimum wage? Because
The minimum wage, I would like to say like between 1,500 euro to 2,000 euro. I would
Okay,
say.
I guess a little
It's
bit.
manageable.
It's
but
manageable.
then they take 30% off,
Oh, damn, that's
so you never know what you gonna be ending up with. But
Alright.
it's cool. It's cool.
Alright, good. So-
if you know how to manage, you can manage it easily.
All right, Ricky, so if people are interested in knowing more about you, where can they find you?
They can find me on Facebook, on like social platforms, LinkedIn, Instagram. I have also a company that names Socialpedagogerna, so we like social workers working in different schools, in different platforms, trying to help the kids elevate, motivate them, and stuff like that.
Alright,
And
wicked.
also a association. That's why I came here. That names Mellanbron. So
Mellanbron.
Mellanbron means like between the bridge for the kids that don't know if they want to be criminals or like rappers or stuff like that. And we just trying to canalize them to the right way. But I had one of these examples. That's why.
Did you say they want to be criminals?
No, they don't know if they want to end up being criminals or like do something other with their lives. That's why. That's why. But I had this example. He was a good kid. He was a rapper originally, and then he grew up and his friends started to sell drugs and stuff. He was there. He didn't do it at the beginning, and then they closed the youth center. And when they closed the youth center, there was nothing else for him to do, and so he started selling drugs. And then he came a point where there was like guns and stuff involved and stuff like that. He didn't know what to do. If he backs off, his friends would be mad. But if he go through, his family will be mad. So that's this type of situation you can see over there, and it's fucked up right now. They're shooting all the time.
All right, I can definitely understand. But it was very interesting hearing, learning about Sweden, learning
Yeah,
Swedish, very
yeah.
interesting. Hopefully, I can actually go there. I mean,
No, you're welcome. Just hit me up. You got my line, so call me and I'll show you for real. So you can bring the camera and show them that it's not like empty because we have people in there as well.
but that is a nice place. So if you guys want to see more about Sweden, simply check out some videos on YouTube. I might leave a general video in the link. But that's it, guys. See you next time, man. Peace. How do you say goodbye in Swedish?
Hey, though.
Hej då. Hej då.
Hey, though.
Hej då.